Concrete Care is your go-to source for high-quality electrical products for construction sites. We offer a wide range of heavy-duty equipment, including generators, transformers, cables, adapters, extensions, power distribution boards, and more. Trade discounts are available, so be sure to ask us about our special pricing for contractors and construction professionals. Our products are built to last and can withstand even the toughest job site conditions. Whether you need a portable generator or a cable adapter, trust Concrete Care for all your electrical needs. Contact us today to learn more about our products and pricing. Shop online at concretecare.ie or visit our showroom at the Staybarr House, Kylemore Park North, Dublin 10.